today. Today's the day when Annie gets to go into the NEC for the restoration show. So I'll be doing a fair bit of coverage on the show, and yeah, hopefully I get to see some notable people. So we'll see. Looks like it's going to be fun, so can't wait. So we're just getting the cars into the position on the stand. So there's Annie looking radiant next to a Marina and a Humber Imperial. So we've got a nice variety going on here, because we've got Roots Group, Leyland, what became of Roots Group, Leyland again. So we've got what's it, Humber Imperial, Morris Marina, Untitled Alpine, Morris Ital, and then over here is Black Bess, a 1956 Vauxhall Wyvern. It's been family owned since new, went missing for 12 years, but now it's back with the right owner. So I think we've still got one car to wait for, and then next to it, this is a Volkswagen Beetle. What's left of it anyway. And then moving along, we've got this beautiful little Hillman Imp. And then along here we've got a Peugeot 306, a 406 Coupe, and a Saab 900 convertible. So we're just waiting for an Austin Maxi to turn up in a Mini. So that's going to be pretty good. Yeah, this Marina is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this.
Oh, you've got a proper camera.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. And we've got these little info sheets on the windows as well. So I'll just go over. Here's Annie's one. So yeah, the day went on very well. Yeah, last night after work I drove down to Birmingham and she was perfectly fine. Drove through Birmingham when there was a lot of knobheads on the road and managed to get through fine. But as soon as I got to that gate, yeah, a guy with the trailer clipped me in the corner. I was properly miffed. In fact, I still sort of am. Yeah, it's taken out cluster, fair old chunk of the bumper here, so there's a bit of paintwork to do on that. Yeah, I'm not sure when I'm going to get another cluster, but I said we're in the same hall as the Simca people, so maybe one of them will oblige. We'll see. But yeah, I'm happy that the car managed to get here. She's been running really reliably now, since I drained the tank out and cleaned all the silt out, and the inside's cleaned up quite nice as well. So yeah, lovely old car smell. You'll notice as well I've invested in a dash cam because I feel like that was a good idea. So yeah, at the moment most of everything works. So yeah, she had a good clean up, so I cleaned up the headlining as well. So yeah, all in all, very, very happy. So just need to wait for this Maxi and the Mini to come, opposite ends of the spectrum, and then we'll see what happens. There's a mad rocket with a tractor. So, onwards. Well, I found the Simca stand. So we're still on a setup day, so there's no one about. Yeah, we've got a Matra Bagheera, I think that's a Simca 1000 Coupe. If I might be right on that one, not sure. We've got Simca 1000 there. I think this is a, this is a 1301 or 1501. Yeah, this one's a 1501. And half tempted to say this is an Aron convertible. Am I right? Well, doesn't really say, to be fair. Yeah, nice bunch of cars, and I do like the Simca Club. They're a handy bunch of people, so yeah, I'll see if I can see them at some point during the show. So yeah, we're all set up on the stand. We're just waiting for the Austin Maxi to turn up, which probably won't be until about 10 tonight. But yeah, we've also got the Matra stand up here as well. They've got a nice little selection. They've got two Morenas and a Bagheera. So nice little cutaway of a marina, so that's really something. So I'm going to find myself something to eat. But yeah. Oh, very loud woman. Yeah, Dodge Challenger in orange. It's very orange. But yeah, right. Let's go and find something to eat then. Oh, look at all the pretty cars. So yeah, that's the end of the setup day, and we're here at Typhon's house.
Hello.
Where he's got rid of the Legacy and replaced it with a Land Rover Discovery, and we're going to see if it goes. So that means we can go and get some fast food isms.
Bear in mind, it has been sitting for about 2-3 weeks, so I don't know if the battery is any good to start it.
Come on. No. Oh. Have we got clag as well? Hey.
Great success.
Great success.
Now it's warm.
KFC is shut, so we're heading off somewhere else. Punch it. Take that, Greenpeace. Okay, so the show's now officially open to the public. It's a buzz of activity in here, and as you can see, I'm in glorious orange overalls, very fetching, with blue gloves. And my plan, seeing that everybody's working on their cars, is that I'm going to be doing some detailing work on Annie, using just stuff from the trade stands, see if I can find stuff that don't require water. So the idea being that people can, you know, get their cars looking nice without access to a hosepipe. So that would be my idea. So we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping it goes very well. So already today started better than yesterday, so very happy. So I've been doing a little bit of polishing on the car today, and you can see we're getting some fairly favourable results, to be fair. So I've got a nice shiny bonnet, nice shiny grille. It's going well. Yeah. All in all, I'm fairly happy with the results. Very shiny. The stand was a hive of activity. Whilst I was detailing my car and making her look really shiny, my neighbours Richie and Wayne were busy detailing this Ital, which had been stood in the field for 10 years and looking great, while this Tara Green Marina was having a gearbox rebuild. All in all, we had some great jobs to do. So that's the end of Friday. It's been very good fun. So I basically polished all the paintwork on the car, and it now looks lovely and shiny. So if I can just, can I demonstrate possibly? I don't know. Well, I think you'll be able to see. There we go. Lovely shiny bonnet. Lovely shiny paintwork. Very, very happy. Shiny and beige. Shiny and beige. Yeah, my plan's going well at the moment. No young people have come up to the stand yet because, as I said, my idea was that I want to show that if you've got limited resources, you can still take good care of your car just by using off-the-shelf products, and I'll basically be giving my thoughts and opinions on them as to how they've worked in my application. So tomorrow I'm going to be focusing on the black trim and the wheels, and I think I'll leave the glass until Sunday because I want to be able to go to a few stands. So let's take a little look at what my neighbours Richie and Wayne have done. So they've got this Morris Ital that's been sat outside for 10 years, looking very grimy. But come around to the front, or the other side. The difference is amazing. That's literally just water and auto glim polish. What a difference, honestly. Not quite as shiny as mine, but that said, it's been sat outside, so that's not bad at all. So, yeah, lots of fun gearbox rebuild is going on this, which is fantastic. So, yeah, fantastic. So it's a Saturday now, and Annie, now all the paintwork's looking shiny. We're going to tackle on to the next job, which is going to be sorting out all of the black trim. Maybe see if I can renovate this little piece along here, which should be black. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe see if I can get a good wheel cleaner. Let's see what we can do. May as well go out and look at some cars while I'm at it. So, yay. Isn't she lovely? So I've gone over all the black trim, and that's now looking nice. And I've gone over the wheels with an acid-free cleaner, which only needs wiping off with a cloth. And the tyres are actually gelled with the same stuff I used on the trim. So I actually got a 2-in-1 product there that's actually done a pretty nice job. So yeah, she's looking lovely. And I also had a nice little chat with a man from the press. He said he was after a Talbot. I went, oh. And then he said he wanted a Horizon. And then I slapped him. Well, I didn't, but there we go.
No, I'm fine.
Hello, Orange. Hello. I think I might as well pop down here, because there is some lovely traction engines along here, as well as this gorgeously, beautifully patinaed marina. Do you want to know the shocking thing? It's MOT'd. Fabulous.
You don't mind.
Some serious flashbacks right now. Look at this. My Fiesta looked a bit tidier than this. But I said mine was probably a lot more rotten than this is. I mean, this is all got a bit of a whiskey dent down there. Little dents along the corner there. The interior is just something else. Look at that. It's like properly tweedy. No stereo. Oh. I really miss having my little old Fiesta, but suffice to say, they just rot out. Beautiful little thing though. Of course, my car was later and had a colour-coded bumpers too. Making me quite sad actually seeing this. So that's the Saturday now winding down to a close, and Annie is still looking absolutely radiant. In fact, even more so now the wheels, tyres, and all the trim's been brought up. It's looking great. And she does make a form of impact, actually. So yeah, you do notice her when you're coming up. Oh, see you, Mark. No worries. So yeah, looking very good. So tomorrow I'm going to be tackling all things to do with glass. So the glass is going to get clean. This rear rubber is going to get clean. And I'm going to do something about this bead situation. And I'm wondering how on earth I'm going to sort this out. Oh yeah, that'll probably do nicely. That's the only reason I can do that. Everyone went, oh, did you not name it? I know. What's the verdict, Graham? And because I like this car a lot, the Morris Ital is looking fabulous. The interior is in as well, paprika interior, which is how the car rolled off the line, and wow. What a job they've done. They've done a really good job on this. And of course, if you need a reminder of what this car was like when they rolled it in, that is a marked difference. Yeah, obviously the car's not absolutely perfect because it's been sat in the field for 10 years. But you know what? I think it's come up extremely well, given this has been stored outside in all weathers. Yeah, that's fantastic. And of course some nice period number plates too. Looks great. Looks fabulous even. So it's now Sunday, the final day of the show, and it was the award ceremony last night, and we got Club of the Year. So that's nice. Yeah. I've got to think of something to do now. Yeah, we're just going around here now. So yeah, the show is starting to wind down to close, and I'm just having a quick little gander to see what there is. But yeah, you can see people are starting to pack away now. Yeah, we've got a lovely little Fiat 127 there. A Fiat Tempra Estate. There's the Simca stand again. Yeah, let's go up this way and see what is lurking up here. Well, we've got a couple of Lancia Gammas. In fact, are they Gammas? Yeah, 2 Lancia Gammas, I think. And then we've got some little Friskies. Cute little cars. Fiat X19s. Yeah, I think I might try for a seat in a Matra Bagheera or Morena or whatever. So let's see. I never got to sit inside a Matra because the horn started to go off, so I ran to the car in order to take part. So that is that, as quickly as it's gone by, it's really flown by, and yeah, now it's time to pack away. So yeah, Annie's come up a treat. Got a lovely chrome in the rubbers now, which look fantastic. The glass is really nice and clear. Paintwork is really nice and shiny. So really happy about that. So yeah, all in all, it's been a really good show. Really thoroughly enjoyed it. It's been nice to come out with the club, and yeah, I'm hoping for more adventures like this one. So, where do we go from here?